Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 28. Find the index of first occurrence in a string. Okay, so given two strings, needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if the needle is not part of haystack. Okay, so haystack is this one, and the needle is sad. Then we have to return 0. Make sure, note that sad also comes in the later one, but we have to find out the first occurrence in here. And if it is not part of the haystack, if the needle is not part of the haystack, then we are returning -1. Fair. Okay, what are the constraints? So haystack.length and needle.length span from 1 to 10 raised to 4, and haystack and needle consist of only English case lowercase letters. Okay, simple. It's a easy difficulty one. Of course, there is a Pythonic function of checking haystack dot index of needle. So what you can do is something like this: return except return -1, something like this. It's pretty straightforward Pythonic way, and it goes through. But if you don't want to use like the index function from the string class, then you can do something like this. Okay, so we'll start with the simple length. So let's say m is equal to the length of haystack. Okay, let's do n equals length of haystack, m equals length of needle, and a simple for loop for I in range 0 to len of haystack. So n, the temporary string in consideration would be haystack of I to I plus m, right? And we can do something like this. So if temp is equal to or string and string, just for the better readability, equal to needle, then we would return I, and if not, we can just keep looking for the next I, right? And if it doesn't go through, then we would return -1 at the end. Simple as that. What you can do is run and submit, and it goes through. Perfect. Yeah, that's basically to it. It's gonna be a short one because it's an easy difficulty one, but stay tuned in for more such problems. Cheers.